Pringles aren't just ordinary potato chips. They represent a true revolution in the snack world that began over half a century ago in 1968 and continues to amaze us today. Their instantly recognizable saddle shape, that signature crunch we all love, and the iconic cylindrical can have made Pringles one of the most distinctive and successful snack brands globally. But behind this seemingly simple pleasure lies an incredibly complex, meticulously engineered manufacturing process that combines cutting-edge food technology, precise mathematical calculations, and decades of expertise from hundreds of specialists. Today, we'll take you on an extraordinary journey through a modern Pringles factory, where ordinary potatoes undergo a remarkable transformation into those perfect chips we all know and love. The story of Pringles' creation is one of innovation and perseverance. It began in the research labs of Procter & Gamble, where chemist Frederick Bauer and engineer Alexander Lipa joined forces to create a fundamentally new type of potato chip. Their ambitious goal was to solve three persistent problems plaguing traditional potato chips: constant breakage leading to crumb-filled bags, excessive oiliness leaving greasy fingerprints, and inconvenient packaging that seemed to contain more air than product. After years of experimentation, they developed something truly unique: a chip that wouldn't crumble during shipping, maintained its freshness for extended periods, and most importantly, stacked perfectly in a compact can, allowing consumers to enjoy whole chips from first to last. Here's an interesting historical footnote. In 1975, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, made a surprising ruling: Pringles couldn't legally be called potato chips. This decision stemmed from their unique composition that differed significantly from traditional chips. Since then, in North America, they've been officially designated potato crisps, which ironically became part of the brand's distinctive identity. Far from hurting sales, this FDA ruling actually highlighted the product's innovation and set it apart from competitors. Pringles production is a sophisticated, multi-stage process that begins with rigorous potato selection. Special potato varieties are used, ones with high starch content and low sugar levels. This precise balance is crucial as it delivers that perfect golden color and crispy texture Pringles are famous for. Every tuber arriving at the factory undergoes meticulous quality control. Modern inspection technology can check up to 200 potatoes per second using high-precision optical sensors and AI systems that analyze every millimeter of surface for defects. Only perfectly shaped, smooth, unblemished potatoes make the cut for further processing, while others are diverted to different food products. The washing stage that follows is far more complex than simple rinsing. It's a multi-phase technological process. First, potatoes enter powerful hydraulic washers, where specially designed systems create extremely high-pressure water jets capable of removing even the most stubborn dirt. Then they pass through a series of rotating drums with abrasive surfaces that gently yet thoroughly remove skins without damaging the delicate flesh. Importantly, peeling isn't just about hygiene or appearance. Residual starch on potato surfaces can impart an unpleasant bitter taste and affect color. So the washing process repeats twice using water at different temperatures and special food-safe cleaning solutions. Next comes the critical slicing and blanching stage. Peeled potatoes move to precision cutting systems, where blades spinning at an astonishing 1,200 RPM transform them into small, perfectly uniform cubes. This specific shape wasn't chosen arbitrarily. It optimizes all subsequent processing stages. These cubes then undergo blanching, a brief, about 2-minute immersion in boiling water. This step serves several vital functions. It softens the potato structure for easier further processing, deactivates natural enzymes that could negatively affect color and taste during storage, and helps maintain Pringles' characteristic natural hue. After blanching, the potato cubes undergo mechanical processing to become a smooth, delicate puree, which then enters enormous drum dryers. Here, at carefully controlled temperatures around 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit, excess moisture is removed, transforming the puree into thin, nearly paper-like sheets of potato material. These sheets are then finely ground into the potato flakes that form the foundation of Pringles. Let's dispel a common misconception. Many consumers believe Pringles are made from whole potatoes. In reality, they contain about 42% potato flakes, with the remainder being a carefully balanced mix of other ingredients: rice flour, cornstarch, emulsifiers, and stabilizers. This unique combination gives the chips their distinctive texture, perfect crispness, and maintains their shape throughout production and distribution. The dough-making stage that follows is an art requiring jeweler-like precision. Potato flakes are mixed with purified water and other ingredients until achieving a damp sand-like consistency. This mixture then moves to special sheeting machines, where it's rolled into ultra-thin sheets just 1 millimeter thick, about the width of 2 to 3 human hairs side by side. From these perfectly even sheets, precision cutters stamp out oval blanks of future chips. But the real magic happens next, imparting that famous saddle shape. A special press creates curvature on the chip surfaces, known in mathematics as a hyperbolic paraboloid. This geometrically perfect shape allows chips to stack flawlessly in the can, creating tight, even layers, and delivering that signature packaging that became Pringles' trademark. Now comes the moment of truth, the frying stage. Oval blanks travel through vats of boiling vegetable oil heated to about 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit. The entire process takes just 11 seconds, enough time to achieve that ideal golden color and signature crunch without absorbing excessive oil. Immediately after frying, chips pass through powerful air-blowing systems that remove even the slightest oil excess. Interestingly, this thoughtful technology means Pringles contain 33% less oil than traditional potato chips, making them a somewhat lighter snacking option. Next arrives the seasoning stage that transforms simple potato crisps into a flavor fireworks display. Unlike many snacks, Pringles are seasoned on just one side, a deliberate technological choice ensuring perfect flavor balance. A unique spraying system applies finely ground spice blends onto chip surfaces at precisely calculated pressure. The scale is staggering. Factories use about 2.7 tons of various seasonings daily to satisfy global demand. Pringles' flavor range is a success story in itself. From classics like sour cream and onion or cheese, to exotic varieties developed for specific markets. In Japan, you'll find wasabi or shabu shabu flavors. In India, spicy tandoori, while some European countries offer unexpected combinations like Peking duck or truffle. Each new flavor represents months of research and testing aimed at delighting consumers worldwide. Before packaging, every chip undergoes stringent multi-level quality control. Modern automated systems with high-precision cameras and sensors inspect each chip for even minor defects. Chips, uneven frying, insufficient or excessive seasoning. But technology is only part of the equation. Every Pringles factory employs professional tasters, whose taste buds are insured for substantial sums, who sample chips under special red lighting. An unusual approach that evaluates flavor alone, undistracted by visual factors. If even one chip in a batch fails to meet the company's exacting standards, the entire batch is discarded without hesitation. Quality compromises are non-negotiable. The final but equally crucial production stage is packaging. Thanks to their unique geometry, Chips self-assemble into neat, tight columns inside the famous cans. State-of-the-art robotic lines can fill up to 100 cans per minute with jeweler-like precision, after which each can is hermetically sealed by a special system guaranteeing freshness and crunch throughout the shelf life. However, Pringles packaging isn't just about convenience and brand recognition. Recently, increasing attention has focused on its environmental impact. Traditional Pringles cans combine multiple materials: cardboard, metal, and plastic, creating significant recycling challenges. In response, the company has launched an extensive program to develop fully recyclable, single-material cans without compromising protective qualities or iconic design. The journey from potato field to store shelf represents an extraordinary fusion of advanced science, high technology, and genuine culinary artistry. Pringles aren't merely snacks. They're the result of over 50 years of innovation, continuous improvement, and uncompromising quality standards. Every production aspect, from potato selection to packaging systems, has been meticulously engineered so consumers worldwide can enjoy perfect taste and crunch. Next time you open a can of Pringles, take a moment to consider the labor, creativity, and engineering brilliance invested in creating each seemingly simple chip. They symbolize how traditional foods can be reinvented through innovation while retaining their soul and evoking those unique emotions that have made Pringles a beloved treat for millions across the globe.